nature gives you the best. In the shade of centuries-old olive trees in the fertile lands of Western Anatolia, in our select production areas, our carefully cultivated olives are among the most precious gifts nature has given us. By blending Western Anatolia's old traditional production methods with the latest technology, we preserve the essence of the olive, the source of flavor and health. From nature to your table. Oreo Organics, the heritage of Western Anatolia, an indispensable part of your table.